Hello everyone, today I want to show you what I learned. I'm learning Java step by step. Today's topic is classes. I read theory, then I did homework. And I want to show you everything. Let's start. What is the class? Today I studied classes. Classes is like a blueprint. For example, if we say car, this is a class, but a real car on the street, this is an object. Class describes what object has fields and what objects can do, methods. In Java, class car, string color, int speed. This is a simple example. Constructor. Constructor helps create object. It has same name as class. Car, string color, int speed, and this color, color. This speed, speed. Constructor gives values when object is created. Why classes are important? Because Java is OOP language. Everything is built with classes. If you don't understand classes, you don't understand Java. Homework 1. Calculator. Now I show you my homework. I created class calculator. It has 4 methods: add, subtract, multiply, and divide. I explain each one. Example. Int add, int a, int b, return a plus b. Very simple but important. Division with check for divide. I added check if b equals 0, we cannot divide. So I print message cannot divide by 0. This is important because real programs must be safe. In main method. In main. Okay. Calculator method equals new calculator. Int a, int b, int c, and then my methods sort plus method add, subtract, multiply, divided. I tested all methods. Everything works. Small projects, but my projects. Homework 2. Book classes. Second task was book class. Fields, title, author, pages. For example, class book, string title, string author, and int page. Method print info. Okay, void print info, system out print title, plus by, plus author, plus page, and then should write constructor. Public book, string title, string author, int page, this title equals title, this author equals author, this page equals page. What write in main classes? Book equals new book. For example, Loto Zabava, name author Ostap, and page 51. Then system out println, book title, book author, and book page. Simple, but now I understand. Classes equals structure. Object equals real thing. Before it was theory. Now I build in myself. What was difficult? At first, I confused classes, object, constructor. Also, I sometimes forget when to use this. But after practice, it becomes clarity. Today, I understood programming, it's not magic. It's practice. Small task, step by step. I'm not fast, but I'm consistent. If you are also learning Java, tell me, are you already studying OOP? See you in next lesson. Bye.